Good morning, everyone! It's our second day here in Bora. Medyo late kami ng gising ngayon, kaya naman nag-prepare na kami agad to have our breakfast. Heto, at bumaba na kami papunta sa resto ng hotel. We had our breakfast here. Actually, this is part of our booking. We had 2 complimentary breakfast until tomorrow. Too many dishes served, kaya naman busog-lusog ka na agad. After namin kumain, ay nagpa-braid kami. Hindi ko na binidyohan yung pinsan ko at si Kyrie dito kasi umalis ako nag-crystal kayak. Oh, tingin ka.
Hi vlog!
Hi, vlog!
Welcome to my guys!
Eto lang yung activity namin sa labas for today kasi hindi namin maiwanan si Kyrie for the water activities. At the same time, takot din. Pero it doesn't matter kasi nag-swimming na lang kami sa pool. Nagtagal kami dito kasi hirap kong maaya si Kyrie pabalik sa room. Bet na bet niya kasi maligo since kahapon pa. After naming maligo at kumain, ay pinatulog ko si Kyrie. Pero panay pa rin ang TikTok niya here. Hapon na nung lumabas kami. Maura-aura lang kami dito at naglaro si Kyrie. Yung pinsan ko, siya naman yung nag-crystal kayak. Then, we had our dinner and chill-chill lang. That's our day 2. Bye-bye!